shot on iPhone. That's something you always see when the newest device from Apple drops. You have ads, music videos, and all the creators showing you how far you can push the video capabilities. Now, one resolution I had for myself in 2026 is to maximize all my gear, including the iPhone 17 Pro Max, to get a little bit closer to those cinematic videos. And that all starts with this. This is the Tilta Khronos Ultimate Kit that should help me on this journey of improving the videos I shoot on my iPhone. I've been using it for about a month now and I want to share my thoughts with you guys, but I do want to get pricing out of the way first. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. This is a premium add-on to the iPhone that's priced at $379 on their website or 26,612 pesos on the Tilta PH Shopee page. So we need to see if all of this is worth the price for you. But let's rewind a bit and talk about what this behemoth of a setup consists of. Now, there are several parts to this kit, but it all starts with the case. I, for one, think it looks good. It's made out of aluminum alloy with a smooth matte finish. It does add a bit more bulk to the phone, but it will protect the device. And you will still have all the access to the buttons, of course, including the camera control slider. Something that you might have noticed on the case are these mounting points and these contact points, which is important for attaching the rest of the accessories. Before we continue, I just want to mention that if you have a tempered glass screen protector on your iPhone like the one I have, this is privacy glass from Spigen, which is a bit thicker. It might be harder to remove the case. That's just what I'm experiencing with this one. By the way, the case also has an optional backplate that has a ring grip, stand, and even a box cutter, but I tend not to bring it around that much since it adds a bit of weight to the device. Plus points on looks though, and by the way, this is the space gray version of the Tilta Khronos kit. But anyway, let's get back to the accessories, and one of the best that the Kronos Ultimate Kit has is the filter tray and the magnetic variable ND filter. Now, if you're not familiar with what an ND filter does, I'll just say what most describe it as, which is sunglasses for your lens. This allows you to shoot at the right shutter speeds using the Blackmagic camera app so that your videos have the right motion blur and give you more of that movie feel and less like something that was quickly shot on a phone. Now, if you want to deep dive on the right settings to get cinematic footage, that's a whole other video, but for now, let's concentrate on the Kronos Ultimate Kit and the next accessory, which is this. This is the Focus PD handle. PD, of course, standing for power delivery. The handle has a built-in battery that will power the rest of the accessories. But I want to focus on the handle itself and what it brings to the table. So yes, you have a nice little grip to hold the entire rig and help make your shots be a bit more stable. The real magic with the Focus PD handle, of course, is the control and precision it unlocks. The handle has a wireless control module, so you can pair it via Bluetooth to your phone, and it can control things like focus peaking and, of course, start and stopping recording. It gives you that tactile, legit camera feel that's just a massive improvement to workflow, and it can help you accomplish shots like this really smoothly. Of course, there's a way to cheat doing this on the Blackmagic camera app, but if you want to control things manually, you can definitely do it with this. Now, if you remember those contact points, that's how the PD handle powers everything. You're not draining your phone's internal battery, you're powering it externally, which is crucial for serious long-form shooting. Now, because this is the Ultimate Kit, we also get this. This is a dedicated wooden handle that you attach on the opposite side of the grip, and it's not just for aesthetics. The main benefit of this is being able to shoot comfortably, and this beautifully carved wooden grip gives you an ergonomic way to hold the entire rig combined with the handle, even when you're in between takes. Okay, so moving on to the next accessory, which is the cooling system. This is something similar to the ones you would typically find with gaming phones and actually provides the same benefits. It helps ensure your iPhone uses its full high bitrate video potential without throttling, and optionally allows you to charge your iPhone using the PD handle. Next up is this USB-C hub. You plug this into the iPhone's USB-C port and suddenly you have an HDMI out that you can use with an external monitor and several USB-C ports that you can use to hook up an SSD or, in my case, an external microphone. Now, something that I just noticed earlier today is that while you have a 1/4-20 tripod mount on the bottom of the USB-C port, it's also Arca Swiss compatible. So if you have an Arca Swiss tripod, you don't have to screw it in, you just slide it in and you're ready to go. And the last accessory to come with the kit is a light. I don't know what else to say. It's a light. It's nice to have. There are 2 stages to it and will definitely help if you're shooting in low light conditions. I don't know what else to say when it comes to the benefits of having a light. You can turn it around. You can adjust the angle. But aside from that, it's a light. It's a good light. But I will say though that while using this in landscape orientation with the entire rig, there's no problem. It will attach to the top when there is a contact point. Using it vertically, using the rig vertically because of the lack of contact points on top of the case, I don't know where to put this and still have it powered on. Okay, so with all of these parts combined, from the case to the hubs to the grip, is it worth the investment? Now for me, the Tilta Khronos Ultimate Kit does deliver on that professional production feel and makes my iPhone 17 Pro Max more of a legit dependable production tool. It gives you reliable power, thermal control, monitoring, and the capability to focus pull, which by the way, a huge part of that is how well it works with the Blackmagic camera app. Now, shifting gears a little bit, I do want to talk to you about the cons as well. First is the assembly commitment. This is something that you should definitely consider. Assembling this full rig takes me a solid 3 to 5 minutes. This is not a grab and go setup. And if you want to check messages or make a quick call to the wife in between takes, you're gonna do that with everything on. This kit is also not for casual users. If you want to upload quick stories, this is absolute overkill. So will the Tilta Khronos Ultimate Kit get me or you closer to those shot on iPhone cinematic videos? Yes. Yes, it will. Of course, it'll take time to learn everything that goes into making cinematic content, but this gives you a good base if you want to take shooting with your iPhone to the next level. Again, you will have to consider the cost, and I want you to answer this question truthfully. Is it something that you will truly use enough with your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max to justify the cost? Or will it be another toy that will end up collecting dust on your shelf? If it's something you see yourself using, I think it's definitely worth it. But Tilta does have a light version of this that you can dip your toes in, and it's about half the price. Both are listed on the corner of the screen, so check them out if you're interested. But that's pretty much it for this video on the Tilta Khronos Ultimate Kit that turns your iPhone 17 Pro Max into the iPhone 17 Pro Max Supreme. Anyway, my name is Tita James. Peace, God bless, and I'll see you guys in the next one.